how to make text behind character in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. After you open the CapCut, now make sure you import your video. Now here is my video in the timeline. Right click on the video, go to copy, and now click on your timeline and paste in the video. So now I duplicated the video. So now select the first clip and go and hide the first clip. After you hide the first clip, now select the second clip that you duplicated. Go to this video and go to remove BG and click on this option auto remove. So from there it will remove your background. After it finishes removing the background, now turn on the first clip. After you turn on the first clip, go to text and then go to this import your text. After you click on the plus button, it will add your text. So now stretch the text to fit the video length. After that, select the text and then go to this option and add in the text that you want to type. So I'll just add in like breaking. After you add the text that you want to type in, then now you can just stretch the video, resize the text, and then now you can take the second video that you remove the background above the text. After you do that, now the text has came behind your video. So now here is the text. Now you can position the text, take it up or down. So now if you play your video, and that's it guys. If this video helps out, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.